Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Authenticate with Biometrics before filling password in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Privacy. Now scroll down and press on Autofill service from Google. Here you can see the option of Preferences. Click on this. Use your pattern or password. Here you can see the option of Authenticate with Biometrics before filling passwords. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable Authenticate with Biometrics before filling password in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.